Hello everyone, this is Angela from Internet Plans, and today I'll be doing my plan with me for the week of 30th May to 5th June. So this month I was a little bit more organized and I had a plan going on for my weekly plan with me's, but obviously my plans didn't work that well since I put the wrong dates on all my date covers. But yeah, I managed to kind of switch all of the dates over, but the stickers looked like they were going to fall off anytime soon, so I layered it with some scotch tape over. Right, so this week's kit is actually from Planet Beautiful, and it's called Homebound, and this is exactly what I've been doing. And this week I've been staying at home but working. I worked and worked this week. It was so tiring and exhausting. It's the start of school holidays in Singapore, and librarians are just generally a lot more busier than normal. And it was just hectic and busy and exhausting, and all of us is just like zombies every single day. So what I wanted to do is to track my skincare, my hydration, working out, journaling, sleeping 8 hours, and I decided to use those checklist boxes to do that. So if I tick those boxes on that day, it means I've achieved that particular thing. For example, if I have journaled or if I have done my skincare like I'm supposed to, I would just check that box. Yep, and that if you have realized that the first line in that checklist is empty, is actually space for my daily weighing. Sometimes I weigh myself and sometimes I don't, but if I do, that would be where I note it down. So what I'm doing here is I extended the system that I did in May. I created a column of my to-do list and my daily tracking, and I did this consistently for the whole week. So one column of to-do list and the rest of the space is for decoration and journaling. And I feel like this makes my journal look a lot better, so much better. And I feel like I need to figure out a way to use more stickers, because these kits that I have, they're so extensive. They have so many banners, boxes, washi tapes, decorative icons, little things, and flags, and it's just so much. And all I'm using is probably 2 out of the 8 sheets worth of stickers, and it's such a waste. And I feel like after I've used up all the date covers and all the checklist and all the 8 boxes, there's just nothing else for me to use for other weeks. And I feel like I need some other ways to use those extra stickers that I have left over at the end. Yeah, so that would be the next thing that I'll try and figure out. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the system going on, and I have these 2 rows of washi tapes that I am primarily using this week. There's the one with the daily activities that character is doing, and then there's another one that's just really pretty, and it's like a middle-aged era dressed girl that goes for groceries and just kind of jump about and just having their happy day life. And yeah, that's the 2 rows of washi tapes that I'm using. I use some stamps to fill up some spaces, I also use emoji stickers to indicate where I'm feeling happy or where I'm feeling just sad. And on Tuesday, if you cannot tell, I forgot my date cover, so I just found a random space and I just squeezed it in there. Yep. So on Wednesday, I used the Fashion Girl box, and well, as always, I chose the black haired white skin girl, which looked the most Asian, but it's actually just white. But okay. And yeah, this set of artwork is really pretty. I loved it. And just one thing about Planet Beautiful is the quality of stickers is amazing. It's buttery smooth, but it's matte, and there's no smudging ever. Even though I'm using ink pens that I love writing on, and it feels like glossy. The color is great. It's awesome. The contrast is so good, but it just doesn't smudge, and it's such an amazing material that why can't I find these kind of sticker sheets everywhere? And even though I print my own stickers, I don't find this kind of sticker paper online anywhere to buy and print out my own stickers on, and I just want to find this, Yep. So yeah, I found this girl playing her switch in that roll of washi tape that I'm using, and I was amazed. And I played the switch on Wednesday for a while, and I wanted something to represent that, and I just saw this girl, and there's a banner, a flag right above her that says life is just like a game. And that was amazing. I loved that particular illustration, and I feel like I'll be using it so much. Right, so on to Thursday, it was a standard decoration. I did up my column on the left, and then I used this really cute washi tape. It's a new one. It's not amongst that two that I mentioned before. This was from Notebook Therapy, and I love this whole set of washi tapes. They had lots of bunnies, lots of garden, and it's just so cute. Yep, so I bought that whole set, and I've been using it a lot. Yep. So this is the Friday, last of the weekdays, and pretty much still an exhausting day. It was supposed to be my day off, but I have arranged a bunch of things to do, as well as things I feel like my work needs to get done, and I ended up doing some work on my off day. It was kind of sad. I wanted to read some stuff, but I didn't manage to. But I did bake some this thing with my mom. It's called baked milk. It's generally just mixing milk and egg together, and then I just put it into the air fryer, do it, and I fry for like maybe 10 minutes, and it's done. It's really good. It's like custard but baked. It's hot and milky and creamy and smooth, and it was good. Yeah, and my mom found this recipe online, and we just wanted to try. Anyway, the next recipe that we want to try together is this potato pancake, which is like a pie, but in the form of pancake. So there will be potatoes inside and some vegetables and wrapped up in pancake. I don't know, it looks really good, which is why we wanted to try. So yeah, we bought all the ingredients. Now that we just need to find a day where we're all free and able to spend the day doing it. It looks like a really long process making that pancake, so yeah. Anyway, it's the weekend that I'm doing right now, and I used the weekend banner, even though I debated with myself for a while if I wanted to do Saturday and Sunday on the same page. decided not to because I realized there's no space, especially if I wanted to journal. But yeah, during weekends, especially on Saturday, I have a lot of things going on. I wanted to go ice skating in the morning again with not enough sleep, and I don't know why I do it, but I still do. My sister booked the karaoke room for her friends and herself, but something happened and they couldn't go, I think. So in the end, my family and her went instead. So I sang my hearts out, and it was fun. I feel like I was the only one enjoying it. I was getting excited and just getting pretty high, and my sister is just still really calm, sitting there and singing those calm and normal songs, and I was just singing those really loud and very noisy songs. Yep. And my mom is really just sitting there and listening to us. But anyway, I am used to singing and entertaining myself, so it was still a great day. Okay, so now we are on to the last day of the week, and because it's the last day, I wanted to use those double boxes that these deluxe kits always have. And yeah, the box looks really good, and the reason is there's a bookshelf in the picture and a desk right beside it and a sofa on the other side. I feel like that's my dream room. And yeah, I feel like when I'm tired of working, I can just walk 2 steps over the sofa and can just start reading, or I guess sleep on it. Yep. Okay, so the concept of what I'm trying to do right now is getting this character to step onto the bunny. I feel like if it ever happened in real life, it's going to be such a cruel thing, but it looks cute, so I wanted to do it. Looking at it now, I feel like I might have colored the background or use something else to overlay, but it still looks great. So yeah, anyway, that's the end of the week, and I like this week a lot. If you guys liked my Play With Me videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!